In front of me, I have 5 best sneakers under 3000 rupees and mostly around 2000 rupees only. So yes, without wasting any of the time, let's start this video. What is up people, this is Kamli, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, I am too damn excited to show the sneakers to you guys. So let's unbox the first sneaker we have on this list, and this is the banger sneaker of this list, like the top tier sneaker of this list. So without wasting any of the time, let's unbox it, and here we go. So this is Puma CA Pro Luxe 3. A full white and cream leather upper sneaker in this chunky silhouette. This is a very fire sneaker in my opinion, and a very versatile one. This sneaker also has some suede hints here and there, and because of the high quality and great comfort, you cannot go wrong with this pair. This sneaker fits true to size. I told you this is versatile. It is great quality pair. It is very good in comfort, and it is priced so well that you cannot go wrong with this pair. I told you guys, this is the best value for money sneaker at this price point in this list. You can get this sneaker for just 3000 rupees, like exactly 3000 rupees, and it is a very beautiful price for this particular pair. Now we move towards the next sneaker on a list, and it is from Adidas. You can see this, and I am excited for this as well. Like, it is a classic, so let's unbox it. Let's go. This is Adidas Run 50s, and according to the name, it is a running silhouette from 50s. A full mesh upper with cream leather on it, a very retro silhouette, and looks very classic. Love the colorway of the sneaker. It looks very versatile, very subtle, and that Adidas side stripes gives it a good contrast. This is a very lightweight sneaker, fits true to size, good in comfort, very versatile, and again priced so well. That is 2999 rupees. That is exactly under 3000 rupees. This will be a great pick. Now let's talk about the next sneaker on our list, and it is from Puma again. So let's unbox it and let me show it to you guys. The box is damaged. This is Puma Smash V2. This sneaker has this full grey nubuck upper and black leather Puma side stripes on it. A very simple, plain, versatile Puma sneaker which you can rock with ton of different outfits. This can be a great sneaker for you if you are a college going student, because this is priced very well and it is very versatile to wear. This sneaker fits true to size, is good in comfort, and priced at 2160 rupees. Like 2000 rupees for this, it's a very good deal for you. Talking about the next sneaker on this list, and it is from Adidas again. I believe when it comes to budget friendly sneakers, like under 2000, under 3000 rupees, Puma is the best option you have, and the second best option is Adidas. I feel that is according to me. Maybe you guys have a different opinion. Do let me know if you have anything like that. But I feel if you want something under very good price, like your budget is very less, Puma is the best option you have. And yes, it is not sponsored by Puma, but I am just saying this. So this is a good pair. This is Adidas Street Icon Lite, a full black leather upper sneaker with Adidas white stripes on it. A very simple and versatile sneaker from Adidas. And I personally feel you should only go for this sneaker if you are a college student, because you have budget constraints, because you do not have a lot of money to spend on sneakers, and that is the only reason you should go for this. If you are a college going person, I believe you have some better options for it, and you can spend a little more than a college going student. So you can go for better options than this. But this one is a very versatile pair. You can just wear it and go out of your house without worrying about is this sneaker matching your outfit, because you can wear any outfit and this sneaker will definitely go with it. And that is the only reason this sneaker is on the list. And there is one more important reason, I just forgot about it. And there is one more second important reason this sneaker is on the list, and that is the price point of it. I got this sneaker for 2249 rupees. That is a very good price for something like this. Now coming to the next sneaker on this list, and we have Reebok. So yes, Reebok is again a very good brand. I personally love it, but budget sneakers are very rare from Reebok, like this price range sneakers. But still we have got something, and let me just show it to you guys. So let's go. So this is Reebok Supreme Style, a full bright blue leather upper sneaker from Reebok with this white midsole and black outsole on it. And yes, this is a very loud and not so versatile sneaker, but trust me, this will be very fun to rock. This sneaker fits true to size and very decent in comfort, and the only reason I have included this pair is because of the color pop on it. And yes, if you do not like this pair, I totally understand, but there is a white pair in this as well, the exact pair in white that looks way too versatile and way too clean. But this one, I just thought it will be fun to include it. But you can definitely get that white pair if you do not like this color pop on it, and you can get it for a great price. That is 2049 rupees. That is a mind-blowing price for this pair if you get in white. And I have got all the sneakers from Amazon, and I have linked each and every sneaker in the description. And if you have a budget of 5,000, something like that, was this video here, that will really help you. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.